Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: active SIM on your phone and the bank account you want to use. Once done, install Phonepe or Google Pay from the store and open the app. You will be asked to verify your mobile number via SMS. Allow the permission so the app reads the OTP automatically. After verification, the app scans for UPI-enabled banks on your SIM. This detects accounts quickly. Make sure to keep your debit card or bank OTP handy for next steps. You now link your bank. Select the bank from the list and let the app verify via SMS. This authorizes account discovery. Next, choose or create your UPI PIN by entering the last 6 digits of your debit card and the OTP from your bank. This PIN secures payments, so pick something memorable yet strong. Once the PIN is set, add more accounts if you want, and enable biometric or app lock to speed up logins while keeping transactions secure. This reduces friction. When you're ready to pay, tap Pay, choose Scan QR or enter the recipient's mobile or VPA, type the amount and confirm. When prompted, enter your UPI PIN to authorize. The app sends the request to your bank and shows status immediately. Make sure to save the receipt or screenshot for records. If a transaction fails, first check your UPI PIN and bank account status, then confirm network and app permissions, if needed. Wait 5 minutes and retry or contact your bank for pending holds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.